Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to install the Godot engine in our computer, and we make our first project in the Godot engine, and next in video we are going to make our own game. So let's start. First of all, let's go to the web browser and then go to the official website of Godot, godot.org, godotengine.org, and let's click on this download latest button, and we can see the download links here. So if you are on Windows, you will download the latest Godot engine from here, the standard one, and if you are not from Windows, then you can go to these links for Android here, for Linux, for Mac OS, and if you don't want to install anything but just want an editor, you can use the web editor also. So for us, let's download the Godot engine from this link, and we don't need to install anything actually, we just download the zip file, and after that we can go to the download section, and then this is our zip file. We move this zip file anywhere we like. We want to place the Godot software. For now I'll show you what inside this zip file. Double click it, and we have got two things here, and this is the main application, Godot application, and let's extract it. So I've already extracted, so you guys go on and extract it, and we will meet in the Godot editor. Hello everyone, so we are in the extracted folder of the Godot editor. So we only have two files actually, so these are what I added, so you don't need to add anything right here. So let's open the Godot application, double click it, and it's loading. It's taking a while because I have a lot of projects inside here. So this is the project manager tab, or the project manager of Godot engine. So you can create your project from here, or if you have downloaded someone else's project, you can import from this tab and you can search from here. And for now, let's just create our new project. Just click and create, and just type your name, type the name of the project, first game, yeah, and you just choose where you like to keep your project. So this is the project path. Right now it is C user share document, yeah. So let me just use a different location. Click on browse, and I always put my Godot projects inside this folder, Godot, yeah. So let's create a folder, and this is where I put my Godot projects. You also do the same thing, and let me just correct the spelling, FIRST first, yeah. And this is the place where we store our Godot project folder. And then in the renderer you can choose either one. If you are making a high-end game for desktop or mobile platform, you will choose forward plus, and if you are choosing for the mobile, you just choose this mobile tab, or for compatibility you can use this. For my case, I always make mobile games, so I will just choose this one, and just hit create, and we are starting off the editor, Godot editor. Takes a little bit of time to set up the project and everything. And welcome guys, so this is the Godot project editor, and you can find a lot of things here. So let me show you the top menu here first. So this is for 2D games. You arrive at this place always for 2D games, and this is where you make your 3D games, the game scene. And here is the script tab, where you write scripts. And next one is the asset library. So if you want different types of plugins, you can find all kinds of plugins and search the plugins here and add it to your Godot project. So that's the top part of the Godot editor. And next we have a scene tree here. Here we can find different types of nodes, and click in here to add different types of scenes. Yeah, you can sort the scenes from here. And next yeah, in the bottom here, look, so here in the bottom part you can find other things like output. So if you want to look at the output of your project, you can see from this place. And for animations, shaders, so you will be using these kind of things along making the game in the future videos, so don't worry about it. And this is your file system. Right now in the project you have got RESS folder, and you have got only one asset, that's icon.svg, and nothing is here right now. So once we start making the game, our resource folder, RESS folder, will look a lot packed. And that's it. Next let's go to our project tab. Yeah, click in it, and let's go to project settings for now. And here in the settings, let's just go to display, and in the window, and let's just modify our viewport width and height for now. So let's just keep the viewport width to 640 and 640, and the height to 300 for now. Yeah, and that's it. We can just close it. We don't have to save anything. It will automatically save it. Close, and that's it, guys. So this is the Godot project editor, and you have made your first Godot project, the first game. And next up we will make a small mini game in Godot engine. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and see you in the next video.